Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing updates. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to update your iOS version or your software, but you're having the issue that your iPhone has been stuck on preparing updates, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection that you have the strongest network connection because sometime it might happen when your network is weak. And after that, you have to open your settings and go for general, go for VPN and device management. You should make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, you have to try to disconnect with that. And after that, you have to go back and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 5 to 15 GB free in your iPhone storage. It may be that your iPhone has not enough storage, so your update cannot be completed. And after that, you have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of the network settings and your iPhone. If there will be any network issues, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to try to make a force restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So you just have to try this. So now first you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you find black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after that, you have to restart your update, and your update will be completed without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.